Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by focusing on signal integrity. Set the channel to unity and remove inaudible subsonic rumble with a 2040 HC high pass. Once done, use a clean preamp or trim to push the input toward -6 dB peak. This gives you headroom and consistent gain staging. Make sure to solo the bass voice and listen for distortion. If you hear it, back the input off. Then apply a gentle low shelf boost only where the part needs weight, not where it booms. Next, sculpt the tone and manage dynamics so the bass reads louder without peaking. Start with multi-band compression. Compress the 60-120 HC band lightly at 2-1-4, 1 to control peaks while preserving punch. Then blend in parallel saturation. Keep it low, around 5-15%, to add perceived loudness through harmonic content. Also consider a subtle subharmonic or synthesized octave underlay at low level. This makes the bass seem fuller and more present in small speakers, while you maintain clarity in the mix. Finish by controlling peaks and translating loudness. Place a transparent limiter on the bass bus with a -1 to -3 dB ceiling and a slower attack so the transient punch remains. Once set, check your mix in mono, on phone speakers, and in the car to confirm perceived level. If you hear pumping or unnatural gain modulation, make sure to ease the compressor release time or reduce sidechain sensitivity. Lastly, automate a slight fader ride where
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.